Welcome to FireTech Talk. I'm Steve Mauro. I'm here today with Stan Oman, Program Manager for Pre-Engineered Systems with Johnson Controls. Thanks for coming today, Stan. How are you?
Doing great, thank you.
We're going to talk about dry chemical systems today. So tell me, Stan, what are some of the benefits of a dry chemical system?
One of the benefits is it's a lower cost option to protect a hazard. So when we're trying to protect a hazard, that would be one of the things we're looking at, whether it be an engineered system or a pre-engineered system. So price would be one of those factors.
Got it. So how much servicing do these systems require?
NFPA requires at a minimum the owner of the facility has to do an inspection every month.
Okay.
When we move on to a service technician, which is maintenance, at a minimum we're looking at every 6 months. There is, in some systems, a yearly component that adds on to that 6-month inspection. Dry chemical system, so we've got a 6-year teardown,
okay.
And then we have a 12-year hydro test.
Okay, on the cylinders.
On the cylinder,
okay,
yes.
Gotcha. So what are some of the applications that would be fitting for a dry chemical system?
For the most part, we're looking at a vehicle paint booth system or an open face paint booth system, total flood, where we're total flooding the whole area, or local application.
Okay, you mentioned open face paint booth systems. What are some of the challenges with those?
It's an open front. We're going to have to protect the area. We want to keep that area protected. So on an open front paint booth, we're going to have screening nozzles to make sure that agent stays inside that hazard area.
I get it. How about restaurant systems? You didn't mention restaurants.
Restaurant is not dry chemical anymore. The standards changed many years ago. Okay. So restaurants are a wet chem system. Wet chem system being protected with UL 300. Mm-hmm. That is not the case with a dry chem system.
Okay, so they don't meet the UL 300 requirement.
For dry chem, dry chem meets UL 1254.
Okay. So are these systems also to protect outdoor hazards like a vehicle fueling gas station or for a loading rack?
Any system has to be installed per its listing. So whatever hazard you're trying to protect, it has to meet that listing. Some outside applications does not meet that listing of that particular system.
Okay, I get it. Can you tell me a little bit more about total flooding systems and the difference between that and a local application?
So total flooding, we're going to try and flood that whole room is what we're going to try and do and protect the whole area. Maybe in that area we don't need to protect the whole room. Maybe there's a piece of machinery that we need to protect. We could protect that using local application.
Stan, this was great. I really appreciate you joining us on FireTech Talk. For you out there, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on FireTech Talk.